Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace the mass airflow sensor on a Nissan Kicks, only way. First, park on level ground and disconnect the battery to avoid sparks. Next, gather a new MAF sensor, a 10mm socket, a flat screwdriver, and safety gloves. Work with the engine cool and label clamps so reassembly is smooth. Take photos during removal to speed up the reinstall process. Warm up to the task by laying out all tools and the replacement sensor on a clean surface. Remove keys and confirm the battery negative is disconnected to prevent shorts. Keep a clean cloth handy to avoid contaminating the intake. Take clear photos of the sensor wiring and hose positions before you remove anything. That makes it easy to match everything back during reassembly and reduces mistakes. Start by unclipping the electrical connector and loosening the intake hose clamp near the airbox. Remove the two mounting screws holding the MAF sensor and pull the sensor straight out to avoid bending the housing. Insert the new sensor in the same orientation, tighten screws snugly, and reseat the intake hose before tightening its clamp. Reconnect the electrical connector and the negative battery cable, then start the engine and confirm smooth idle and no check engine light.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.